Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Wash and Dishes, where today we are making elote salad. That's right, we're going to take all of the flavors, ingredients from amazing, delicious Mexican street corn, and we're going to turn it into a beautiful summer salad that you can take to parties, or just keep around the house to snack on. It's really delicious. So, I'm just starting by shucking some corn. I really hope the YouTube captions don't screw me on that one. I'm shucking with an SH at the beginning. Just taking off the peels and the husks and the little threads, getting them in some water, and we're just going to let those sit and soak up some water and get on with the rest of the veg prep. You may notice that this is not my usual angle. Observant viewers may remember that this is the Meal Prep Monday angle, but this week's video is kind of done in a bit of a hurry because I have a vacation coming up, so I hope you'll forgive me. Anyway, let's get on to that veg prep, and let's cue a quick veg prep montage right about now. All right, I also snuck in getting the bacon diced up and into the pan. I'm using some thick cut bacon. Anyway, we're spreading the kernels we cut off of the cob onto a pan. We're going to cover that with some salt and some pepper, of course, and a little bit of oil. Get that all mixed up and into the oven. And then we're kind of just going to let it roast until, well, so normally you make elote with grilled corn, and I live somewhere that I'm not allowed to have a grill. So my solution is the oven. We're just going to roast it until we're starting to get some char and everything is, cooked. So now we're going to drain off the bacon grease, and we're just going to let these sit. We kind of want them to come down to room temperature, so we need to be sure we're getting these extra crispy so that they keep their crispiness even once they've cooled down and have been tossed into the salad with everything else. So be careful with that. All right, and the corn is out of the oven, a little bit's charred. Perfect. We want that char flavor on there. We're just going to mix it around, make sure none of it's stuck. None of it is. Let's go. So for the first one, we're going in with our Serrano chili, Poblano chili, our half a red onion, some cilantro. We're going to juice in one lime because we've got a runnier binder in the form of the crema that we're going to go ahead and add about somewhere between a third and a half cup of. Really, it's just however much it takes to get everything nice and coated. And then it's just some salt, some pepper, and mix it up, right? Should be good. Oh, wait. I forgot something. I started mixing before I remembered to add the Cotija cheese. Very delicious traditional Mexican cheese. Very common on street corn and that kind of stuff. It's salty. It's very similar to Feta, actually. And we'll get to that in just a sec. So, yeah. We've got this all together. We're mixing it up, and we're going to just pack it up into some containers to take to a party. Now, I realize that not everybody has all the stuff at the grocery store that I do. So we're going to do another one with bacon, red bell pepper, parsley, feta cheese instead of cotija, sour cream instead of crema, and just some extra lime juice to thin down the sour cream to the consistency that the crema would have been. Once that's all together, we're going to mix it up. Make sure you get that sour cream really mixed in there, and you're good to go. So I'm going to be perfectly upfront. The perfect version of this salad is probably somewhere in between. I like all the peppers. You could do whatever onion or shallot you wanted. And like so many things that we talk about on this channel, really, you can make it however you want to make it. I'm going to garnish this with some avocado and some chicharone. But chicharone is just pork rinds, so you can probably find those. But yeah, these are great right away. They're better than the day after they sit in the fridge overnight and kind of soak up. Just don't put the chicharone in before you put it in the fridge. They're probably good in the fridge for a week or two. Probably a week, maybe 10 days, now that I think about it. But yeah, I hope you'll make this. I hope you'll enjoy my kind of at-home oven-friendly take on Mexican street corn. And if you like what you see, check me out on social medias. I'm at Wash in the Wind on Twitter, even though it's dying. But you can find me at twitch.tv/washinthewind. You can find me on Instagram at washinthwind. And if you like what you saw, check out a couple of these other videos that YouTube thinks you might like from my back catalog. I've been doing this for a year now or so. So, give it a shot. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your time zone, and I'll catch you on the next episode.